Hello students, in today's video you are going to learn new chapter. Chapter number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Defeat means to win against someone in a fight or failure. And in Marathi what we say for defeat? Parabhav. Defeat of the internal enemies means students here there are some internal enemies of Shivaji. Internal means here some relatives are there of Shivaji. They are the enemies of Shivaji. Shivaji defeated them. And how Shivaji defeated them and who are that people, that information we are going to see in this chapter. First point of the chapter, that is by use of force, that we are going to see now. The Maulas of the 12 Mavals gather round Shivaji, ready to do his bidding. Bidding means order. The Maulas of 12 Mavals, they were gathered around Shivaji and they are ready to do whatever Shivaji tell them. They lived for Swarajya and were willing to die for Swarajya, means they are ready to give their life for Swarajya. They were simple Maratha folk. Folk means people. Who are the Maulas? The Maulas are simple Maratha folk, means simple Marathi peoples they were. They loved Shivaji more than their life, but some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. He had to bring such people to book. Maulas loved to Shivaji and they are ready to do whatever Shivaji tell. But there are some people who jealous of Shivaji's achievement and Shivaji had to bring such people to the book. Bring to the book means what? Punish. Shivaji want to punish the people who are jealous of his achievements. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. The Adil Shah incited, means encouraged them against Shivaji. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than much for them. He defeated and drawn them out. Adil Shah incited Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade against Shivaji. So they created lot of trouble in Kondana district, but Shivaji defeated them and sent them out of the Kondana district. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton was Shivaji's own brother-in-law, means Shivaji's wife's brother, that is Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was Shivaji's brother-in-law, but Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Though Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar had fight many battles with Shivaji, then also the family members of Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, they were with Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. Plotting means planning. Means Sambhaji Mohite also he started to plan against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. Banished means sent. Shivaji sent him where? Karnataka. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. For Shivaji, his duty was very important. He looked after his duty and after he looked after the relatives. While establishing Swarajya, if any relatives had created trouble for Shivaji, that time Shivaji had punished them. For him, his duty was first, afterwards relative. Next point we are going to see, that is the Chandrarao More of Javli. The greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized and applauded everywhere. Applauded means praised, means whatever Shivaji's greatness of achievement it is there. It was recognized and applauded, means praised by every person. Shivaji captivated the heart of his people. Captivated means what? Captured, means people love to Shivaji now. Some people did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eyes. Mole means a small dark patch on the skin. In Marathi we say tir. Some people looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eyes. Means some people they felt that Shivaji is the obstacle in their aim. More of Javli was one such person. Means More of Javli, he don't like the progress of Shivaji. More was the Jagirdar of Javli. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley, along with the title Chandrao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Adil Shah conferred means gave or grant a title Chandrao to More of Javli, and also he has given the Jagir which extend from Raigad to Koyna Valley to More. Javli was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight, means during daytime, the sun rays hardly penetrated it. Penetrated means came down. Hardly means little. Means little only sun rays you can see because of the thick forest in Javli. Javli was full of wildlife, means wild animal. They roam in the Javli forest. Tigers, wolves, and bears roamed freely in the Javli forest. More Javli was thus like a tiger's hideout. Hideout means hiding place. Means tiger can hide themselves in the Javli forest. No one therefore crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulat-Rao More died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among his descendants. Descendants means a persons that descended from a particular ancestor. In Marathi we say Vanshaj. Succession means heirship, means in Marathi we say Varsa Hakk. After the death of Daulat-Rao More, there was the fighting among the descendants for the property of Daulat-Rao More. Shivaji backed means support Yashwantrao More, who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gadi as Chandrao. After the death of Daulat-Rao More, the property of Daulat-Rao More, it was got to the Yashwantrao More. Yashwantrao More took the help of Shivaji and he got the Gadi and also he got the title as Chandrao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. Annual tribute means yearly payment. Means whatever yearly payment is decided that Yashwantrao promised to give to Shivaji. But Yashwantrao More forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gadi. With the help of Shivaji, he took the Gadi, but when he got the Gadi, that time he forgot Shivaji. He became impermanent and troublesome. Impermanent means rude. Rudely he started to behave and he became troublesome to Shivaji. He started attacking Shivaji territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Due to the behavior of Yashwantrao More, Shivaji Maharaj realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Means Yashwantrao More, he will be the person who will be dangerous to Swaraj. So first Shivaji decided to punish him. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 29 of EVS 2 textbook. Thank you.